So today I'm going to show you how to use a nail gun or a nailer. Now this is my favorite tool and you're going to love it. And I'm going to teach you all about it so that you feel comfortable using it for yourself. So nail gun, another word for it is also nailer. And what is it? It's basically like a really cool hammer that you can use to easily and quickly drive nails consistently into wood or another material. So your nailer can be air powered or battery powered. I love battery powered because it makes it so much easier to transport. And mine is an 18 gauge nailer. I'll tell you more about that in a minute. So why use a nail gun? Why not just a hammer? Okay, if you're doing a project and you're going to be shooting hundreds of nails into a wall, would you rather sit there with a hammer or use one of these? I'm telling you, you want to use one of these. In addition, one of the benefits of these, besides it just being very satisfying to use, are that the nails have very, very small heads on them. And so in your project, that makes for less finishing work and a better result. So I'm going to show you all the parts of this nail gun, but I'm telling you, you're going to use it for wall treatments, you're going to use it for furniture, you're going to use it for shiplap. Honestly, every single project I use this. Okay, so I know this can be intimidating, but I'm going to give you a tour all around this so that it can become your new best friend because it's not so scary. All right, the first thing I want to show you is the trigger. The trigger is what you push to make the nails come out. The nails go in the magazine. This is the magazine holder right here where the nails go inside, and this is the magazine release button. If any of your nails ever get jammed, this is another release that you can pull and it opens up and you can clear out any of the jammed nails. So this is the nose of the nail gun. The nose, you always want to know where this is, right? This is where the nails exit and go into your surface. Okay, on this side, you have the depth adjuster, and that's exactly like what it sounds like. You push this dial up and down, and then it changes the depth of your nails and how deep it goes into the surface. And then finally, you need this or you're not going to get anywhere. You've got, this is the opening for where the battery goes, and this is your battery. So I'm going to show you how to use this safely because every time I teach somebody, they are terrified that they're going to nail a finger to the wall. You're not going to do that because you're going to follow these rules. Never change or do anything with it or move it around with the battery in it. Only have the battery in it right when you're about to nail something. Always assume that it's loaded and never point it at anybody. You need to protect your eyes always. You also want to look cool while doing it. Safety glasses, because you never know when something's gonna fly out. These are so important. The next, it's always a good idea to just tie your hair back. That way you can see what you're working on and your hair's never caught up in anything. Also, it makes a really cute fashion statement. I also always wear closed-toed shoes when I'm doing projects because I like my toes. And you can wear headphones if you want to protect your ears. Built-in safety to this nail gun. I don't have the battery in here, okay? So this edge right here, the nail's not gonna come out unless this is pushed down like this. So that's a built-in safety, but don't rely on it. Okay, so the first thing, there's no battery in here. Check, good job, Ange. The next thing we're gonna do is load in the nails, okay? We're opening up our magazine with the magazine release button, and then I have all these different lengths of nails. I'm just gonna do the 1.5 inch ones for right now. So to load in your nails, you put them at the top here and you push it all the way to the edge and you have it so that the little head, the part that you would nail in, is towards the back, and you're gonna push up to the top and you're gonna close and you're gonna hear a click. Click, that click. It just makes you feel like all is right in the world. So the next thing that we're going to do is we're going to adjust the depth. This right here means that the nail isn't gonna go in as deep. This one means it's gonna go as deep as it can. Let's just start with that because we're aggressive. Lastly, the battery. Did you know, I only learned this a year ago, that a lot of batteries actually have a button on the back that show you how much battery life it has in it? Good job, inventors. So to load the battery, we're gonna just stick it in the back here. And again, we're gonna hear another click, click, and we're ready to go. Okay, so now's the time. We're ready to use our nail gun. I'm gonna give you a quick little demo just to kind of show you it in action. So here's my board. I'm going to put my nail gun on the surface, see the nose on it. The safety is going down, And I'm gonna press the trigger, and the nail went through both of them. And see that little tiny, tiny head? That's why we love nail guns. So another safety is always watch where your hands are. When you are about to nail in, do not have your hands anywhere close, and always think to where the nails go in and where they could come out, that they'll never hit your finger. And that's how you use a nail gun. I hope this was helpful. I'm excited for this to become your new best friend. And if you want to see any other projects or any other tutorials, I'll link them down below in the description.